that bird, it'll peck your eyes out!
Good day. I am Nanny Poppins. And I know that you have concerns about your offspring. But I am here to tell you that you are being very, very overprotective. So here are my top 5 reasons why you are a helicopter parent.
Okay, my little muffin, here I got this grass-fed burger just for you. I'm gonna cut it up for you so we don't have any choking issues, honey.
You still cut your son's meat. He's 12. You bought your 5-year-old a smartphone so he can text you when he gets to class. And you're already in front of the school. Your child has never lost a game, not even checkers.
Oh, you win again.
Papa,
Yeah?
I got a birthday invitation and I want to go.
Birthday invitation? You know, birthday parties, there's a lot of germs there.
Your child does not go to birthday parties because there are germs there.
All right, honey, it's time to go night-night now, okay? All right, give me a hug. Oh, don't forget your helmet.
Your son wears a helmet to bed in case he falls out. And the bed is surrounded by a sea of pillows. I am Nanny Poppins. You are a helicopter parent.